Hello, my name is Dimitra Christos. I'm a secondary history education major at Indiana University, and in my W200 class, we were asked to create an online lesson module project, and for my project, I covered the United States' involvement in World War I. And during my explain phase of my project, I created a Nearpod lesson. And the Nearpod lesson's goal is to connect major events to the United States deciding to declare war on Germany in April of 1917. One of those major events is the sinking of the Lusitania. The RMS Lusitania was a British passenger ship, also known as an ocean liner, that was sailing from New York to Liverpool. And it was traveling through a naval war zone as a result of Germany's declaration of unrestricted submarine warfare. Using suspicions of war munitions being held on board the Lusitania as justification, Germany ordered one of their U-boats to strike the Lusitania with a torpedo. And as you can see here, a warning was even released by the Imperial German Embassy, cautioning anyone that travels will be, quote, liable to destruction in those waters, and that travelers sailing in the war zone on ships of Great Britain or her allies do so at their own risk, end quote. Next, I provide the students to a link with primary source documents that they are asked to explore. They're all newspapers from that time period that covered the sinking of the Lusitania. And in the next slide, there's an open-ended question that is presented to them that I encourage them to think critically based off of that evidence and to form an opinion using those primary source documents. The question that I ask is, in what ways do you think that newspapers and other forms of media would influence American public opinion of Germany? And because Germans lived up to that warning, 120 Americans were dead as a result of the sinking of the Lusitania. The diplomatic relations suffered between Germany and the United States as a result, so much so that U.S. President Woodrow Wilson officially severed diplomatic ties on February 3, 1917. The 120 senseless deaths, combined with Wilson's declaration and decision to cut diplomatic relations, further pushed American public's opinion towards a completely negative viewpoint of Germany. That concludes my content exploration for this Nearpod lesson. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.